and surprising ways. We are racing towards a future that will be dominated by technology.
The
has shifted. The world is accelerating. The science fiction of yesterday is rapidly becoming the science fiction of right now. How do we withstand the tectonic shifts in the world around us?
For our rod end, simply drag the round boss and drop it onto the cylinder rod. This adds a concentric assembly mate between the parts. To position it along the axis, we can drag the edge of the rod end to the end face of the cylinder rod to add a coincident mate, having to reassemble. Interference detection is an important aspect of 3D design, and SOLIDWORKS takes it a step further with real-time collision detection. Notice that as we move the arm through its range of motion, it interferes with the link. SOLIDWORKS provides both visual and audible feedback of the collision. A change is in order, and it can be done directly on the part right here in the assembly by changing the angle dimension defining the pocket on the arm. Now as we recheck for collision, we can see that we have full range of motion with no interferences. In just 2 minutes, there were 19 parts added to this assembly, and our assembly task is complete.